Looking for an innovative music theory course for beginners? Look no further.
Music School 21 presents Allie and Pally in Music Fundamentals. Music Fundamentals is a revolutionary online video course that delivers its content in a fun and engaging way. The course consists of 12 video lessons, numerous assignments, quizzes, and exams, but also a ton of supplemental content. Lessons are presented by Allie and Pally, our dynamic duo of extraordinary instructors. The content has been prepared by outstanding educators from leading music institutions who have made sure that it is both relevant and accessible. The result is a course that is extremely simple to follow, but also provides an excellent foundation to support music students at the beginning of their studies. Purchase your Access Pass and start learning today. Music School 21, music instruction redesigned for the 21st century.